Today we're meeting the arms, not to place them correctly, but to let them rest. In a moment, you'll hear a bell. When it rings, let your attention settle into the arms. Nothing to change, nothing to fix. Just notice where your arms are right now. They might already be resting on your legs or on your lap, or they might be alongside your body. If it feels comfortable, you're welcome to let the arms land over the knees or legs, wherever they naturally fall, with the palms resting down. Let the shoulders soften a little. Let the weight of the arms drop, as if gravity is gently holding them. You don't need to adjust anything further, just noticing how it feels when the arms are allowed to rest. If there's any tension, you don't even have to release it. Simply include it in your awareness. I now invite you into a few seconds of silence, and we'll end with a bell. Your arms practice is done. Thank you so much for being here in sacred space. I am very grateful that we shared this moment.